Hello, today I will be making Abgoosht or Persian-style meat and beans chili. Ingredients: 1 to 1.5 pounds bone-in lamb or veal or beef shanks or shoulder, 1 cup chickpeas, 1 cup white kidney beans, 2 onions, 2 large potatoes or 5 small potatoes, 4 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon salt, pepper to your taste. Chop the onions. Wash the chickpeas and beans. And add them along with the meat, onions, and 6 glasses of water into the pressure cooker or a pot. Close the lid and let it cook completely for 50 minutes in the pressure cooker or 4 to 5 hours in the pot over a gentle heat. Then peel and chop the potatoes and add them. Add the tomato paste, turmeric, salt, and pepper and boil for another 20 minutes. You don't need to pressure cook at this point. You can serve the abgoosht as is, or you can separate the meat and beans from the broth and mash them. Serve the broth as the starter. You can add pieces of bread to the broth. Serve the mashed meat and beans with the flat bread and your favorite fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and mint, as well as green onions and radishes. You can also serve your favorite pickled vegetables on the side. Mucha John, enjoy!